Hello, my name is Professor Matthew Hayday, and this fall I'm going to be teaching History 4160, a seminar in Canadian political history. This fall, the theme of the seminar is going to be about social movements, and if you've been paying attention to the news cycle in recent months, there are tons of examples of social movements that have been active in Canadian political life, ranging from Black Lives Matter to Indigenous activism, to environmental activism related to climate change and pipelines, and a host of other issues. In this seminar, I'm going to be taking you through a series of different social movements from Canadian history on a variety of topics that are going to help you to understand and situate the social movement activism that we see in our society today. You'll also, through your independent research for the major project for this course, you're going to be able to explore a social movement that's of particular interest to you. We're going to be considering questions like, why do movements arise when they do? Why do they employ certain tactics that they choose? And also big questions like, why do movements succeed and why do they fail? This course will be of interest not only to history students, but also to students in political science, sociology, and other related disciplines that take an interest in why societal attitudes and policies change and what role does citizen activism play in affecting these types of changes. So I hope to see you in my class this fall. I will likely be coming to you from this very office here in my home, and I look forward to seeing you. Thank you.